I was sent this do-it-yourself set by the brand, and today I have my grandkids here with me. I have Liam. How old are you, Liam?
10.
And I have Ella. How old are you?
7.
And they're going to go ahead and start working on these. Each of them are going to do one of the projects. Liam, what did you choose?
I chose the airplane and boat.
And which one are you going to do?
The boat.
Oh, okay, you're doing the car and
Okay.
the airplane. Okay, we're going to start with each of them doing one though, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the progress as they work. Okay, the kids are busy working. Ella's doing some painting. Liam is waiting for his airplane glue to dry, so he's starting on the other project while he's waiting. Okay, I want to give you an update of where we are at on things now. This is an hour or two later. Liam got pretty far on his 2 projects. He did not get them done. There was a delay because of waiting for things to stay glued together. We had to wait till the glue was dry or they would slip out of place. And then of course he couldn't paint them until the glue was dry. But that's where he's at. You can see the mess on the table because they were having so much fun. They were just busy working on this. I do recommend putting a sheet down on the table like we did because there is paint all over this and I didn't want that on my good tablecloth. This is Ella's finished product. She did the boat and she did this all on her own. I did not have to really help her with anything other than cleaning the paintbrushes for her in between when she changed colors. But look how cute she made the flag. And then she put some stickers on it. She did a variety of colors here. She just really had a good time doing this. And it turned out well. I think this is a great project for kids. Rainy day, when you want to keep them busy and have them be creative and feel like they're doing something really special by creating. This is a great project for that. And I'm very happy with it. And they loved it.